guys, I'm starting the vlog a little bit later in the day because I've been busy editing and sorting out the thumbnail and things because I didn't manage to get it done last night because I was a bit tired. So John's now home from work and we are getting ready to go out for some tea, which will be nice because I'm not in the mood to cook. I'm not feeling too great.
For a fact, with me, I always wear a scrunchie and a JoJo bar.
You do, don't you? This is the scrunchie she's got in, guys. Don't know if you can see. Oh, let me sort that out. There. Got sparkles in them, and that's her cute JoJo bar. Look how many days till our surprise holiday. Can't wait, it's only 18 more days. It's gone so fast. I mean, I know we didn't have long to wait, but so far it's gone really fast. I can't wait. Just need to start packing everything. I'm talking quiet because the kids are all in the living room. I don't want them to hear me. But yes. Exciting. We are just getting shoes on to go out for something to eat. And how many of your children get a bit fussy about what shoes they want to wear? Because it's raining, I've told them to wear the trainers. Well, not told them, but Alana. I've told Alana to wear her trainers. And she's crying, I don't want to wear my trainers. I want to wear my school shoes. So she's eventually settled on wearing her heelys. So she's now wearing her heelys. Kids, the joys. Elliot?
You got any water? So I'll get you some water in a minute.
Girls are sat on the road over there.
Right, look. I'm going to go get Isaac's and Elliot's.
Alright. Want to go with Daddy?
Right,
Come on, pal.
Right, you're going to come with Mum. Wait till Dad's back. Alright?
Oh, Melina can do.
Well, cool.
Belgian chocolates.
Go on, you hold it under me and I'll press it.
And lemon sauce.
Can you do it? You have to hold it up. Wow, that's well cool, look at that. Hold it there like that, there we go. What do we do? Like this. Oh no!
Look how nice that looks. I got a chocolate malt crunch thing and John got a chocolate brownie. The kids have all got an ice cream. Oh, look at me.
Whoa, you just missed one.
I got it.
Got it.
It's a lovely view up here.
It is.
Sorry, I look a bit orange, guys. I've got that shining on me so you can see. We're currently sat at Oliver's Mouth watching some guy set some fireworks off and they're pretty pants. They keep going up and then just shooting back down.
They're flopping.
But the kids are having fun watching.
Really good. He's doing another one. He's
doing another one.
Mummy, can I take my seatbelt off?
No, just keep
Keep it on for now, darling. We did go stand at Oliver's Mouth to go watch all the fireworks on Scarborough. John, you would have seen in the clip before this bit, but it was absolutely freezing, so we've come back into the car. We didn't think we were going to come out after going to Scalby Manor, So we did get everyone's coats and hats and things on, so we thought we'd just come sit in the car for a little bit.
Changing colours. That one changed colours. Yeah, don't move.
As you saw, guys, they're not very good. I wonder if he'll have any rockets or anything.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Whoa. That was close. You alright, Isaac? Yeah, can you not see? I think Daddy needs to turn round.
Look at these!
Ooh, a bit too close. Just casually watching everybody else's fireworks. May as well, we didn't end up getting any this year. So we're just watching everyone else's from out the door. Ooh. Amelia's loving it. I think they're over there. I think they're setting some big ones off in a minute.
Yeah, they are.
Wow, look at that one. Whoa, look at them. Whoa. Sparkly one. Whoa, look at them. How cool are they, guys? Oh, they're nice. We might not have fireworks, but we have sparklers. The kids love sparklers. And Isaac's just taking his coat after we've put it on already. Oh, free fireworks! Yay! Look at them! Who's in charge of the fireworks? Of the sparklers?
Yay.
Someone grab Isaac! Someone grab Isaac! They're really small.
We're going down fast. Ooh. Right, Elliot, over there, over there. Over there, mate. Over there.
Wow, look at them!
Mate, is it nearly out? Goodbye.
They stopped. Oh, she ran off. Hey, are they nice?
Okay. Happy birthday to you.
Hey! Short but sweet vlog tonight, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. All the kids are in bed and I think I'm going to sit down and watch a bit of Stranger Things. I've only just started watching it and it's pretty cool so far. John's gone to bed. I mean, it's only early, it's only about 8:30. But John's gone to bed because he's got to be up at 5 o'clock in the morning, so I'm going to just stay down here and watch a bit of that. If you like this vlog, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you tomorrow at 5 PM. Bye guys!